you remember the day when your baby was conceived? After a urine test, you couldn't believe, could you? Did you imagine that day 2 tiny cells would become a 2 or 3 kilos weighing baby after 9 months? During the pregnancy period, this new mom and the unborn baby were carefully looked after by our family health care staff. There are maternity clinics all over the country for this. During these 10 months, the MOH and family health officers, midwives, look after the expecting mother, paying their loving, caring attention. Not only they give you medical instruction, advice and primary treatment, but they refer these mothers to the VOG of the area in case you have a problem. Today, let's talk about the clinics.
Here, Siri, I feel strange since that urine test was positive. Like returning from a happy journey. I feel like my heart is bouncing. Urine passes every now and then. One I can't bear is the vomiting feeling.
Morning sickness is normal when you're conceived. You will feel more in coming days. That's the way you feel. You will naturally be used to that little by little. Son, this is the time you would be really busy. It's difficult to get up in the morning, it seems. That giddiness and vomiting will be alright in a few days. Then you will get your appetite again. I can parcel your lunch, son. Nilmini won't bear some smell during this period. Both of you have to practice tolerance these days, okay?
Nilmini, good news, isn't that so?
Who told you?
I saw the midwife coming your way.
Yes, dear. She is so sweet. She registered my name. Oh, she asked me so many questions. Name, age, address, time since marriage, whether we have a blood relationship, hobbies, diseases, and I can't remember, dear, a bunch of questions about our ins and outs.
That is how it is at first. She gave you a clinic date, didn't she? You have to attend clinic several times. They will ask you some more questions there and take blood tests, more urine tests, and sometimes they will need to take scans too.
Well, yes, she told so. I had taken the rubella injection early and now I'm taking the folic acid injection regularly. She said I will be given iron tablets after I recover from this morning sickness, vomiting and all. And I have taken a scan too.
Yes, your height and weight will be measured to take your BMI. I'm sure you will get no problem. Everything will be normal.
What do you mean by BMI? It means body mass index. It is calculated by measuring the height and weight of the mother. Also, it is easy to remember. If the BMI is below 18.5, the mother is in poor nutritional status and she is exhausted. If the BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9, it is the satisfactory level. If the BMI is more than that, the mother falls within the overweight range.
Do you know why the HP level in blood is checked?
Yes, to check whether that person has anemia. We have learned it in school.
Correct. If the HP count is less than 7, hemoglobin level is low. If it is between 7 and 11, it is not so good. If it is closer to 11, it is slightly good. If it is more than 11, it is very good.
So, the iron tablets with vitamin C is given to increase hemoglobin. Isn't that so?
Yes, but don't forget to take food which increases the hemoglobin level. Also remember, take hookworm medicine at the right time. So can you see the advantage of having satisfactory HP level?
It is already discussed about one type of blood test. There are some other tests too. Blood tests are done in the clinics to check VDRL, HIV, and also to determine the type of RH factor. The PPBS test is done to determine the type of sugar. This is done after the 12th week of pregnancy and the person must fast for 12 hours before the test. To make it stable during the 26th and 28th week of pregnancy, the OGTT is done to check for diabetes.
Who can tell how much will the weight of the pregnant mother gain if she eats well?
About 5 kilos?
5 kilos for 10 months. It is definitely not enough. It is okay if it is about 10 kilos. It is very good if it is 12 kilos.
Miss, I usually get leg cramps at night. It hurts a lot.
Yes, I will give you an answer. It is good if you straighten your legs by keeping toes up and pull your toes tightly towards your ankle. You got it? You can also stretch and massage. Your husband can give you a hand for this, as you can't do everything by yourself. Isn't that so?
Doctor, sometimes I feel faintish. This happens sometimes when I'm in the clinic's queue. I used to sit down straight away. It wears off in few minutes.
Yes, that's true. This happens when the blood supply towards your brain is low. It is common that your hormones change during pregnancy. Therefore, this is normal. Listen to what I have to say carefully. When you get up after sitting or sleeping, do it very gently. Don't try to be quick. If this happens while you're standing, sit immediately. If it doesn't wear off, lie down. Don't sleep on your stomach during the last few days of pregnancy. Always sleep on your side and always try to be relaxed. That's all.
These types of questions are answered in the clinic sessions. Not only that, the problems about blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, problems about baby, placenta, getting ready for the labor are being discussed. Breastfeeding the child in this country happens correctly as a result of such informing methods. There is nothing for the mother to worry because the baby's growth is checked.